welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to another video. This time we are very excited because we are going to review a very amazing product that also from a famous blogger and one of our favorite bloggers. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so Debashree Banerjee came up with her own makeup line. It is called as #Debashree Beauty. And firstly, congratulations to her. All her pictures, her Instagram feed for Debashree Beauty was like insane. So congratulations, Debashree. Now talking about the products. So the first set of products she came up with was Define liners. So they are water activated liners. And we bought 2 of them. So there are 13 in the entire range. First one is Arctic, which is a white liner, and the second one that we ordered is called as Lemma. I love the names, like they're so like cute and punny, if that's a word. So Lemma, which is a purpley lilac sort of a color. So firstly, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this cardboard case right here along with a seal, which is great, and andar se it opens up like this and aisa dikhta hai. It's a pretty basic cardboard box, and the actual product comes in a pot like this. So when you open it up, it comes with a cap, which do not throw away. We will come to that later. And andar se it looks like this. It has #embossed on it, which is good. So again, the packaging is pretty basic, convenient, and we don't really have anything bad to say about it.
Pricing for this is $7.99 each, and we also paid 100 rupees shipping. They also have a combo offers, combo of 4, where the prices are a little bit reduced. Also, the plus point about this brand is that it is vegan and it is cruelty free. It is made in India and everything good, which is really good. I know while production of all this, doing vegan and cruelty free and all that is not easy. So she doing that is really appreciated. Also, the colors are really good, like the neon colors. I am very attracted to yellow, neon green and neon orange from that. When I ordered, I guess we ordered on the first day itself, जब pre-ordered चालू हुआ था, but तब तक ना swatches उनके पेज में नहीं आए थे. It was only on the website. We did not see swatches on Debashree, which she uploaded, so we were not able to guess the color properly. So that is the reason I picked for this. अगर मैंने वो swatches देखे होते ना, तो I would have definitely ordered yellow or neon green or neon orange or something like that. But nevertheless, I am very happy with what I have right now. So without any further ado, let's get started into the tutorial.
So now talking about my look that I created one other look as well on my Instagram. The link to that will be in the description box below in case you want to see how you can play with it even more. So I will give you my personal honest opinion about it. So firstly, I wasn't that excited when I saw that these are water activated. So I was like, okay, like whenever you travel with it, you will have to carry like a separate eyeliner brush and a separate water. I mean, you will need stuff, okay? So it's not something कि अपने bottle से निकाल दिया and लगा लिया. So, but then I was like, you know what, let's just try it first and then form an opinion. And so the reason why I was telling you all that do not throw this dhakkan away is because you can put 1 or 2 drops of water on this and work this as a palette. Just brush dip करके use कर सको. So do not throw this away. This is going to come in very handy. And what I do is I take about 1 drop of water. 1 drop is more than enough. You don't need a lot because अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा पानी लोगे तो the eyeliner will look patchy patchy and watery, so
Yeah.
please keep that in mind. So you will need a very thin pencil brush or a thin eyeliner brush so that you will get a very precise application. So that I already had. About the application, it was pretty smooth. It wasn't not pigmented or anything of that sorts. You can see like itne
Yeah,
dur se, the camera
it
is
is
really
visible.
far from us, but it's visible. So all in all, I'm really happy with the quality and the quantity and the packaging. And last thing that I would like to add is that these are not bad products at all, but these are not meant for everyone as well.
Yeah.
So if you are just a beginner in makeup, you won't really be into it, which is all right. And we love to try out new products. We love to do different looks. So that's the reason we bought it. And obviously we love Devashri. That's the reason also we bought it. So if you want to try something new, I think this is a good product to start with, because this is easier to work with. That is my personal experience with this.
So for me, I am not 100% satisfied with this color. I expected this to be a little more darker. When it dries, the color changes a little bit. So when it dries, I also felt a little patchy. Now I don't know, is it my mistake, I am not using it properly, or is the color patchy? I have tried it twice and मैंने दोनों time यही देखा है. I am going to try it more times and see. But I'm not the huge fan of this color. Yes, you can see the color very well. दूर से what do you think? I don't think दूर से इतना
See,
ये
when you
दिख रहा है.
compare, no, when you
Yeah.
wear vibrant colors, it's like really out there.
there.
So मैंने white के साथ black भी लगाया है, but
Yeah.
still you can see the white. So
True.
I think my opinion would be go for vibrant, brighter
Yeah,
colors.
exactly.
And you will have a lot of fun playing with it, to be
True,
very honest.
true.
This is not bad at
Yeah,
all,
yeah.
but this is something that you will have to work with. I
it.
think
Yeah.
so.
Like I saw someone wearing a yellow liner from this range, and I was the fan of it.
Yeah.
I was like, I want that yellow liner. And yellow liner तो आपको बिल्कुल मिलेगा भी नहीं किधर और brands में. So yellow, neon green, neon orange, I would say go for those colors and play with those colors for sure. If next time I'm purchasing, I'm
Yeah.
definitely purchasing those colors.
There is also a black in the range.
Yeah.
You can try that if you want to play safe, you can try that. But all in all, first thing that I would say that this is a very unique product to come out with as the first product from your beauty line, right? Like people usually come up with lipsticks and maximum eyeshadow palettes. No one comes with water activated eyeliners, which I think is a very, very unique concept. And she's been getting a lot of love on these liners as well. And of course, we are going to create more such looks. Make sure you follow us on Instagram to keep updated for this. We might purchase more colors because these are good, right?
Yeah.
These are not the worst.
More for artistic looks or
Yes,
something like that. If you are planning to do artistic looks or face painting में भी आपको कुछ
Yeah.
करना हो, you can use these colors for that very, very well.
Yeah.
So and the pricing is not that expensive and it's not the cheapest. So the pricing isn't mediocre, I feel.
Yeah, these are worth trying if you are into makeup, if you are into artistic looks, and if not, you can go for the black. So yeah, I think that is it what we have to say. Do you want to add something else?
No, I guess that's it. Let me know what do you guys think of the swatches which we did. Let me know what are your opinions on this brand. We would love to talk about it.
And yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if you did, then
don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.